nga pala mga gamit namin guys. Alright. For Aurora yan. Good for 3 days. Let's go! Europe. Nakarating lang sa hotel. Mga 1:30, mga 1:40 na kami nakarating. So, umalis kami mga 10:30. So, today's Friday nga pala guys. Ngayon ko lang nasimulan yung pag-vlog. And sasama ko kayo sa Aurora journey natin. Let's go. Katabi lang nito yung yung venue ng event. Alright. Alright, so yun. Guys, muna kami ng gamit and then mag-work muna. Alright, let's go. Yo, bro.
Yung wala pang
Time check. Mga 6 ano na. 6:19. Kakatapos lang natin mag-work. Ayan. So, let's go. Labas tayo. Check natin yung venue. So, tingnan natin kung maka-chamba ulit tayo ng na sound check nila for later. So, let's go. Right. So, I guess dito na yata mag-start yung pila nito bukas. Ito sa area na to. Ayan. Ayan. Things to bring and prohibited items. Alright. So, yung pinaka-mark nitong lugar ng entrance is itong Petron. So, ito yung pinaka-entrance. Platinum, SPIT, and Gold. Ayan na. Nire-raise na nila yung arko. Alright. Yo, bro. So, walking tayo around the area. And of course, kasama ulit natin si Kieski. Ayun o. Alright.
Hello, iVlog! Gusto kayo? Dito kami ngayon sa Aurora, Clark.
Nice. Kinaguri ang Sugod SB Gang. Alright. Let's go. Walking muna kami.
Let's
Alright.
go!
Woo! Sure, bro. Pabalik na kami. Hindi kami nakaikot. Bawal daw, sabi ng guard. Alright, so hanap muna kami ng matatambayan and maybe for dinner na rin. Alright, let's go. So, hindi kami makapag-decide kung anong oras kami alis bukas. So, ang lupit. May ruleta. May ruleta kung anong oras kami pipila daw bukas. Alright, so lupit. Idea to ni Kieski.
Masusunod kaya?
Susunod kaya. Ikutin mo na. Ikutin na ang kapalaran. Iniikot na ni Kieski. Anong oras? Oh, 9 AM talaga. 9 AM talaga.
Okay ba yun?
Okay.
Susundin ba natin? Susundin ba natin?
So, ang tanong dun kung susundin daw ba? 9 AM.
9 a.m. gigising.
Uy!
So, yun. 9 AM gising or 9 AM ang alis?
Kasi di ba 6 a.m. breakfast?
So, ayun. Let's go. Talino na na. Ruleta. See you 9 AM na bukas. Yo, what up? So, check namin yung menu ng Mitsuki. Ano ba yung Mitsuki? Nakakatalino pala yung menu nila. Pag-check namin ng menu, naalala namin bigla, may noodles pala kami dala. Alright, so ito yung pinaka-outdoor area nila. Maganda guys. Okay din. Pwede kang mag-chill dito. Ayun. So, hindi ko alam kung saan mauuwi yung dinner namin. Let's see. Alright, let's go. nagsa-soundcheck ng iba, naabutan natin yung Sonara pag-akyat natin. Alright. Ayun yung stage sa likod guys. So, kaya, let's go. Sana maabutan natin SP90. Yo, what up guys? Good morning. And it's Saturday. So, day 1 na later, no? And time check, mga 7:30 na yata. So, breakfast muna kami sa baba. So, nag-avail kami ng breakfast buffet. So, gusto namin i-try kasi mura lang naman siya. 500 pesos lang. So, ayan. Tara, kain tayo guys. Let's go. Yeah, bro. Masarap din yung tosino.
Pampangas ba?
Ay, oo nga pala. Kaya pala masarap yung tosino, guys. Asang Pampanga nga pala tayo. Yo, what up? So, tapos na mag-breakfast and nakapag-prepare na rin konti. So, ayun. Time check, mag-10 a.m. na. So, try namin na makapunta kagad as soon as possible para mauna tayo sa pila. May mga nakapila na since 4 a.m. Grabe yun. Solid. So, ayun. Tara, let's go. So, papunta na kami dun sa venue, guys. Pipila na kami. And then, mag-ask tayo ulit na ilang 18. Crowd check tayo. So, interview ulit tayo ng ilang mga cups natin dun. So, okay, let's go. Thank you. Guys. Yo, what up? Nakapila na kami dito sa ano. Grabe, sobrang init. And kasama ulit natin si Kielski. Of course.
Hi!
Grabe.
Hi, vlog!
Solid yan. Fan cams ulit, abangan ninyo. Alright.
Pati yung sa kanya.
sana,
natin.
sana. Okay.
Yung vlog niya, supportahan niya.
Ay, thank you so much.
Ano talaga? Supporter niyo ako.
Thank you. Yo, what up mga Kaps? So, we're here at Aurora Clark. So, meron tayong kasamang isang Kaps natin dito and i-interviewin natin siya. So, ano pong name nila?
Mate.
Mate. Tagasan po si Mate?
From Poblacion, Makati.
Poblacion Makati. Grabe, malayo din ha. Nandito pa kayo since yesterday?
Yeah, dumating kami kahapon. Talagang nauna na kami.
Nice. And nakita ko rin pala siya kanina dito sa hotel na tinuluyan natin.
Okay, ako bumati sa'yo.
Yes, marami pong salamat kay Kaps Mate. And then, a few questions lang din. Sino pong bias nila?
Pop Josh.
Pop Josh?
Biases.
Okay. Nice. And, umatid po ba sila nung wakas at simula?
No, unfortunately, no. I wasn't.
Pero nung simula at wakas, naka-attend sila?
Hindi rin. sorry, yung was, yes.
Yung was,
Yung so, hindi.
Okay.
Hindi ako inabot.
Nice. Grabe, ang ganda ng nila, no? Nung finale nila. And then, question ko lang din, anong favorite song nila din sa recent album nila na Wakas at Simula?
Ayun na nga, wakas talaga.
Bakit?
Wakas din.
So, may mga fun question ako dito. Ano lang siya, madali lang siya, don't worry. So, would you rather meet the artist but no photo or with photo but with no conversation?
I'd rather meet them. In the core memory mo na yan eh.
Nice. Core memory. Ganda na.
Plenty.
Nice talaga.
Walang photos. No. It's okay.
Sana all.
Baka maingit ka, papakita ko sa'yo.
Sure. Sige, patingin ako. And then, would you rather have free tickets forever or backstage access pero once lang?
Backstage access. Parang gusto ko yung tickets forever. Para lagi-lagi nandun may memories.
Nice. And Ito na, kumpletuhin mo lang yung lines ng sa kanta ng Wakas. Bawal yung tamang sagot. Okay, so feel the lyrics to. So, kung lahat ay may...
Wakas. Bakit kailangan maling
Yes, maling lyrics. Okay, okay. That's good. Lahat naman. Pwede. Okay. Thank you so much ulit kay Mate.
Mate. Yeah, I'm Mate again from Sariling 18. Supportahan niyo po lahat ng ating mga fandom groups and lahat po always choose to be kind.
Nice. Follow nyo guys, Sariling 18.
Follow niyo rin to. And
Thank you.
Si Kielski.
Ski. Alright. Sariling 18. Facebook page nila.
Salamat.
Alright.
Sariling 18 of all the platforms.
Thank you so much. May gift lang ako sa'yo. Freebie lang din. Okay.
Oh, really?
Okay.
Sa strapping, okay na tayo mga Caps, hindi tayo magkakagulo. Opo.
Nice.
Yes.
Ang bait ni Caps, oh. Nag-volunteer.
Siyempre, para sa
Nagna-numbering. Thank you so much kay ate. Para organized, no?
181.
Ilocano.
Nice. Let's go! Grabe, sobrang dami ng tao. Hanggang doon na sa dulo. Haba na ng pila, guys.
So naman, kaya Aurora family, ito na, magsa-start na talaga tayo ngayon with an amazing performance from our DJs later on. Christopher!
Kami, tropa lang.
Are you guys excited? Yes, kami rin. Thank you. Ang hindi sumaya, walang kiss kay Pablo.
Yo, what up mga Pops? I'm with Reyna Cam! Yeah, let's go! Let's go! Aurora Music Festival!
Yes, the first time na lang perform.
I love you, Pablo! Mama!
Yo, what up? Pabalik na tayo guys. Grabe. That's the face of 10 hours, 12 hours of guys. Outdoor Aurora Fest. Let's go! So after SB, umuwi na tayo kasi mag-edit pa tayo, upload natin yung mga podcasts natin. Alright, so let's go! So yun, kakabalik lang ng hotel, so grabe, nakakapagod. Talagang maliligo ko sa alikabok. Kung sa Aurora, Cebu, ulan at putik kalaban namin dito. Init, tsaka yung alikabok sobra. Pero all goods, sulit pa rin, no? And maganda yung angle natin. So, upload natin siya as soon as possible. So, tomorrow, day 2, pupunta ulit tayo, of course. But, kailangan namin bumalik ng Cavite for church, no? Isang bagay na hindi namin pwedeng kaligtaan. Siyempre, lahat ng blessings naman, no? Galing kay Lord yan. So, yun. At after ng church, babalik ulit kami dito. Habol kami for day 2. And, siyempre, sasama ulit namin kayo sa journey. Alright? So, ayan. Let's go!
We just conquered Aurora Music Festival Day 1. See you tomorrow for Day 2.
Follow Sariling 18 on all our social media platforms, especially Facebook.
And follow him.
Let's go!
Thank
you so much.
Our boy.
Okay. Joe, what up mga Cups? We have Taiwanese Aiden here. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Wei, W-E-I, Wei.
Her name is Wei, so I'm not used to speaking English, to be honest. But I'm gonna try my best to communicate it well. And then you flew all the way here just solely because of SB19?
Yes, because of SB19.
Grabe kayo boys, sobrang solid nyo. SB19 is solid. I saw that you attended Wakas at Simula concert finale, right? Both of your groups,
Yes.
I mean, all of you.
Yeah, all of us.
All of you. Nice, nice, nice. And what's your favorite song in their latest album, Wakas at Simula?
Toy Friend?
Toy
Friend.
Nice, nice. I like Toy Friend too, actually. Emoji is the one that I like because Jolene.
Jolene,
Yes,
Jolene.
Jolene is actually gorgeous and the best. I never thought that she was like 45 years old already.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, I thought she was just like in a 30s. Yeah, and then I got shocked when someone informed me, or my wife actually informed me that she was 45 already. So I was actually totally shocked by that. And then I have just few questions for you, just fun question. Would you choose to meet them without photo, or would you choose to have a photo with them but no conversation?
Photo.
With photo.
With photo.
Okay, got it. And then would you rather have free tickets forever, or backstage access but just once?
Forever.
Free tickets forever. Global fun package forever.
Yes, forever.
So that's my only question right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed Aurora Music Festival. So what's going to be like your message for SB19? She's Justin Bias, guys. Oh, that's so cute.
In Taiwan.
Oh, nice.
I just want to say I love you forever.
Let's go. Yeah, of course, that's SB19, and we would like to support them as well, like forever. We don't like SB19 to have an end, so let's support them as much as we can. So thank you so much, Wei, for your time for this conversation. So ayun, maraming salamat mga Kaps, and thank you so much again kay Wei.
Salamat.
Oy, magaling siya Sheshe? Sheshe. Marunong ako. Sheshe. Let's go. Hey. Yun. Bumaba lang kami sa Tom and Tom's para bumili ng cold drinks. Sobrang kailangan namin ng cold drinks talaga. And then balik na ulit kami. Magpe-prepare lang. Tulog. Ligo. Alis na maaga bukas. Tapos babalik ulit. Let's go. Kung sa Aurora, Cebu, putik. Dito naman guys, alikabok. Ayun, solid. Solid alikabok. Right. Yo, what up? Good morning guys. Time check. Siguro mga 6:45 na yata. So, bound to Cavite tayo ulit. Pababa na kami. And, ayun. Uwi muna kami. Tapos, babalik ulit tayo dito later. Okay, let's go. Mga kaps, so let's go. Pabalik na ulit tayo ng Clark. Time check, 3:37. So, kanina pag uwi namin ng Cavite, mga 8:30 na kami nakabalik. And then, tinapos lang namin yung church. And then, balik ulit ng Clark for day 2. So, ayun. And, hindi namin alam kung ano mangyayari for later. But, sana makakuha ulit tayo ng magandang angle. Let's go. Yo, what up? Touchdown. First Clark Hotel, 5:26 p.m. So, freshen up lang ulit and then sugod na agad tayo dun. Alright. So, dami ng tao actually guys. Ito, pakita natin sa bintana. Yan. Oh, dami ng mga ano. Grabe, bata-batal yun. Teka, zoom. Yan. Dami ng tao guys. Yo, what up? Punta na tayo sa venue guys, Platinum ulit day 2. So mag-alas 7 na, Chinedal na, sunod ay Parok ni Edgar. Alright, let's go!
Puno ang langit ng bituin at kay lamig pa ng hangin. Awit na ng nanawagan. Because of that, we promise you to bring you the best, the amazing stage for tonight. Please welcome once again PR SB19 to give you the best performance for tonight. This is your favorite VISA Visa. Maraming salamat. Muli, this is our home. This is our song. It has been SB19.
So, what up? Pabalik na ulit tayo ng Kapoy. So, yun. Iba talaga pag trentahin na guys. No? Talagang iba na. So, pahinga muna tayo and then uwi na tayo bukas. Alright, let's go! Ayun. Ganyan ka traffic guys pag uwi. Oh. Grabe. Yun oh. Thank you for your service. Alright. Ganyan ka dumi yan guys. Let's go. Yo, what up? Good morning. So, time check. It's already 10 a.m. So, medyo late na tayo nagising at wala nang slow morning. Fast morning na dahil mag-iimpake pa and uwi na tayo ng Cavite. Ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating vlog, sa ating journey, sa pag-follow natin sa SB19 dito sa Clark, Aurora. Again, thank you so much. I'm Nick and God bless.